Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the topic of basic biochemistry. So the topic is chemistry of lipids. First of all, we will define the lipids and then classification of lipids. So lipid is defined as the organic compounds which are soluble in organic solvent and insoluble in water. Next is classification of lipids. So lipids are classified as three ways: simple lipids, complex lipids, and dry lipids. Simple lipids. Simple lipids are ester of fatty acid with various alcohols. On the basis of type of alcohols, they are subclassified as neutral fats or oil. Alcohol is glycerol, and waxes alcohol is other than glycerol. Neutral fats or oil, ester of fatty acid with alcohol glycerol. So we will see that triglyceride fat R single bond C single bond O double bond O with CH2 linkage, and then with carbon dioxide and CH2 linkage. Neutral fats or oils are uncharged. So here we can see various structure of fats in which glycerol, mono, acyl glycerol, diacyl glycerol or triacyl glycerol. Van der Waal model of fatty acid and glycerol rotatable around carbon and carbon bond. Simple lipids. First of all, we will discuss about what is the stereospecific numbering system. Triglycerol, triglycerides or neutral fats are triester of glycerol and three fatty acids. Okay. General structure of triglycerol contain three fatty acids, acyl group linkage by ester bond to glycerol. If the fatty acyl groups that are esterified to C1 and C3 of the glycerol molecule are different, then the C2 of the glycerol molecule is asymmetric. Fatty acyl group esterified to C2 is written to the left of C2 in a Fisher projection formula to designate the L configuration of naturally occurring triglycerol. Special arrangement of OH group in C1 and C2 of glycerol molecule are not identical. Therefore, the three carbon atoms in a glycerol are usually designated by stereospecific numbering system or by an older numbering system that use the symbol. So here is stereospecific numbering of glycerol. H2 single bond COH. First carbon is named as 1, second carbon is named as 2, and third carbon is named as 3. Why are simple triglycerols different from mixed triglycerols? Triglycerols that contains identical fatty acyl groups that are esterified to the 3-ester position of glycerol is called a simple triglycerol. Example, triolene contain 3 molecules of oleic acid residue to a molecule of glycerol. Tristyrene contain 3 stearic acid residue esterified to a molecule of glycerol. Mixed triglycerols contain 2 or 3 different types of fatty acid residue to a molecule of glycerol. Such compounds are named according to the placement of the fatty acid residue on the glycerol molecule. So here is example. First, palmitology 2 lineol 3 stearoyl glycerol 1 3 Fats and oil are called neutral fats. They are complex mixture of simple and mixed triglycerol whose composition of fatty acid residue varies with the organism that produce them. Fats are solid or semi-solid at room temperature. Oils are liquid at room temperature. Triacyl glycerols in oils contain mainly unsaturated fatty acid. Triacyl glycerol in fat contain mainly saturated fatty acid. Melting point of unsaturated fatty acid are lower than those of saturated fatty acid. Waxes, ester of fatty acid with higher molecular weight, monohydric alcohol. Example are lanolin, beeswax, whale, sperm oil. Next, we will discuss about the complex liquid. These are ester of fatty acid with alcohol containing additional groups, subclassified according to the type of prosthetic group. Phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins. Phospholipid is again classified as glycerolipids, sphingolipids. Glycerols contain fatty acid PO4 alcohol, while sphingosine contain fatty acid PO4 or chlorine. Phospholipids may be classified on the basis of the type of alcohol present: fatty acid plus alcohol plus phosphoric acid. Alcohol is glycer, phosphochlorine, phosphohatidyl, phosphofatidylserine, phosphohatidylacetol, plasmalogens, cardiolipins. Alcoholic sphingomyelin. Here is the three structures, so we can see it. These are the structure of phosphofatidylserine, phosphofatidylsteroid. Phosphofatidylserine occur in cell membranes. Phosphoacyl glycerols containing chlorine are the most abundant phospholipids of the cell membranes and represent a large proportion of the body store of choline. Choline is important in nervous transmission as acetylcholine and as store of labile methyl group. Palmitoyl-lactin is a very effective surface active agent or a major constituent of the surfactant, preventing adherence due to surface tension of the inner surface of the lungs. Its absence from lungs or premature infant cause respiratory distress syndrome. Phosphatidylase is a processor of second messenger. Inositol is present in phosphofatidylene as the stereoisomer myoinositol. What is plasmalogen? Plasmalogen are glycerophospholipids. They are structurally different from other glycerol phospholipids. SN1C of glycerol is linked by ether bond to the cis unsaturated alcohol instead of a saturated fatty acid as in other glycerophospholipids. Plasmalogen polar alcohols group X can either be ethanolamine, chlorine or serine. Sphingolipids. What is sphingolipid? Are derived from sphingosine, also called 4-S-pingenine, is an 18-carbon unsaturated amino alcohol. Different types are sphingomine, which are only they contain phosphate and have no sugar moiety. Glycolipids. They do not contain phosphate group. Fatty acid plus alcohols plus carbon dioxide with nitrogenous base. Example are cerebrosides, gangliosides. Glycolipids. here is structure of glycolipids, in which acyl residue with sphingosine, ceramide, acyl residue 1, sphingosine, sugar. Third one is sphingosine, acyl residue 1, sphingosine. Fourth one is acyl residue, sphingosine. Glycolipids are widely distributed in every tissue of the body, particularly in nervous tissues such as brain, outer leaflet of the plasma membranes, where they contribute to cell surface carbohydrates. Lipoproteins, lipids with prosthetic protein group. Chylomicrons, very low density lipoproteins, low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein. So here is the end of chemistry of lipids. Chemistry of lipid is an important topic in the biochemistry. Here we will discuss about the definition of chemistry of lipids and classification of lipids, and lipids are further classified into the many ways which we will discuss: simple lipid, complex and dry lipids. Okay, so here topic is closed. Thank you so much.